In this video, I will show you how to add references in Word. To add references, we need to add a citation first. To add a citation, go to References. Make sure you know the required citation style for your document. Different institutions have different style like APA, IEEE, MLA, Chicago. Then click on Insert Citation. Then click on Add New Source. Now select the type of source that you are citing. It can be a book or a website or anything. Then fill up the required information. Then click on OK. As you can see, Word has added the citation in the correct format. Now it's time to add references. Go to References, click on Bibliography, select References. As you can see, Word has generated the references for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.